Hi everyone, welcome. Well, let's fix up this Weedeater. Okay, we want to add some string onto this echo. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. So you want to measure off about 10-12 feet. Remove the battery for safety. Okay. This is the Echo 58 volt cordless Weedeater, and it works awesome. Okay, so first thing you want to do. Now this is a bump feed, so you bump this and the line will come out automatically to where you want it as you're using it, which is a very handy feature. Okay, so you want to grab on to this spindle, and you got your hole here, and then there's one on the other side. You want to look through that hole, and you want to spin until you can see light through from this end of the hole to the other end. Okay, then you take your 10-12 feet of line, take one end, okay, and you want to thread it through that hole there. Okay, so there it comes. Okay, and then you simply just want to get it, set this end down. You want to pull that through, pull it through so it's even at both ends. Okay, so just put those two ends together like that, grab them firmly in your hand, and then feed up, give it a tug, and then know you got your two ends right. Then you want to grab onto that part again right here, this part right here, and you want to push down and start twisting counterclockwise. With this part facing up, you want to go counterclockwise. Okay? That's going to start winding it in. Okay? You might have to flick the line out of the way. Just keep winding it that way. It's windy out here today. Okay. Keep winding it. Keep twisting that. Okay, it's winding itself in there. Okay, once you get there, you want to give it a tug. Make sure it's in there good. There we go. Now I got a little left here, and you can either turn on the Weedeater and it'll snip those off on the cutter edge. I'm just going to take my pruner, snip that off there. Same with the other end. Just get it right to where it's going to cut off. Take it, snip that off. Okay, there you go. You're reloaded. You're reloaded, you're ready to go. And then when you're using it, as these get worn, you just bump it on the ground like that, and it feeds a little bit more out. So it works really well.
Hi, Levi. Hi, Levi. Hi, Levi. What you doing? What you doing? Levi. 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 Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. Come on. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so that's how you change the line on a string trimmer, and the tool at work. Works pretty well, eh? So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and you know, leave a comment letting me know you subscribed, and let me know if you have any other video ideas. All right, thanks. Thanks for watching.
Say bye, Levi. Yeah. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Levi.